chip and what?
Mint chocolate chip ice cream. Do you get it? Good.
But I gave you a huge bowl of ice cream.
You gave me this much, barely. This much, mister. Do you think I am the girl to eat this much? When you get this much... Come on. I'm waiting.